Okay, what'd he say? What's that? Oh, did I? No, I called and left him a message right after I got off the phone with you, and I never heard back. He's working on a house up the road that doesn't have phone service, and I bet that's what he's doing. So I can try him, and you want his numbers, and you can try him too, or you just want me to handle it? I'll handle it. I'll try him again. If you don't hear from me in 10 minutes, I could not get hold of him. Thanks, buddy. Bye.
Pink spoon. What does that make?
So, N-A-T-H-A-N. So both names. Okay. Myers, M-E-Y-E-R-S. And why? That's weird.
Try to create my own spork.
Nathan Myers.
About 10 minutes?
Right.
All right. Thanks, bud.
You look
I don't think this is gonna work. No.
Nathan Myers obsessed with that related search.
Oh well. I guess I could have just used this all along, huh?
I got the picture of you. I knew I'd seen you.
Are you talking about me?
How about you? Look at that.
Wow.
Do that right there.
Wow.
Does that look like me?
It actually does. You've got that long, sickly face, and the dead eyes, those dead eyes, and the huge Frankenstein forehead.
You look like Gonzo from the Muppet Babies.
I look like Gonzo.
You do.
What about you, y'all?
What? My schnoz is not as big as yours.
Is that a huge schnoz?
I may have a huge schnoz, but it's not as big as your schnoz.
Tell me that doesn't look like Josh right there.
That does not look like Josh.
That looks exactly like him. And you say I look like what? Gonzo?
Yes.
What's a Gonzo?
That's not.
You heard some Gonzo?
I don't know my
Gonzo Muppet. Yeah, that's it. You never knew who Gonzo was?
Money.
So my nose goes straight out and it curls down. So my nose goes straight out and curls down. Yeah, funny when you Google my name, you get a cool picture of a dude sitting on top of a 71 Cuda with a cool look on his face, or this in-depth shot right here. This deep thinker. Okay, you got the deep thinker. Or maybe you go over here and you have this handsome dude. That's how I roll.
Yeah.